So Arsenal 3, Burnley 1. Ah, dear, oh dear, oh dear. It wasn't the most entertaining game in the world, but we see some great performers out there today, and that is an improvement on what we see at Newcastle the other day. So yes, we are going to get into this. We're going to do player ratings a little bit later. Kenny Ken's at the ground. We're going to get his thoughts and feelings on his fan cam. Jez as well. Matty, who's jumping on the watch along with me as well. We're going to do all 4 of them fan cams and then player ratings as well. Big up to everybody who tuned into the watch along. Big up to everyone who tuned into the Spurs watch along. The wheels are falling off. Cheers, guys. Anyway, smash the like button. Leave your comments down below. Sub to the channel. Thank you very much for 89,000 subscribers. We're profiting off a win today instead of a loss. So, yeah, it's all good, man. But we see the starting 11. No Benjamin White. I don't know what happened there. I haven't seen any of that. Like I said, I was on the Spurs watch along, jumped straight on. I don't know why Ben White didn't play, but we didn't need him. Tomiyasu doing this thing, apart from when he fell down real quick for their goal. But let's be real, they didn't really trouble us. They had a couple of little half chances, a couple of little scuffed shots here and there. It was, as Top Gooners would say this season, a controlled performance. Big up to the manager today, by the way. He substituted 29. Substituted 29. I don't know whether he's still got the dog at home and he had to go and take it for walkies, or whether like the missus was at the game, so they decided that to go home and pick up the poo. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure, if I'm honest. Fabio Vieira, maybe he has to take him home to take her home tonight. Win the dog. Imagine calling the dog Win, the audacity, when you bottled everything. But anyway, that's a different stream, different video. Let's get back into this game. My baller, by the way. Trossardinho. The amount of you that laughed at me. You laughed at me. Well, I must say, you're not laughing now, are you? Yeah, big up Trossard. That is our best player. Yeah, and he is clear as our best player. The most technically gifted player in our football team. Every single cross he put in from a corner today. You noticed how poor our corners are when Martinelli takes them or Saka takes them? Every single corner today, on the money, mate. On the money. The guy is absolutely class. Nearly broke his arm scoring the first goal. Great little flick on header from Saka, from an unbelievable cross, by the way. Yeah, not many people in the Premier League can cross a ball properly. Yeah, number 35, the little C-Tech Bart Simpson. He's been upgraded today. He's B-Tech Bart Simpson now. The little Ukrainian politician at left back. I thought he was superb today as well, by the way. But that cross, Saka leapt like a salmon, and then my baller backstick tapping header. And Trossard, for me, was man of the match. I thought he was superb, absolutely superb. And Saka, on the other hand, yeah, we're quiet today. I can't lie. Yeah, and I don't know whether it's just the look he has on his face when he walks off, but he always looks like he's injured. It's just like one of them things. But he didn't get in the game in the second half for sure. But Gabriel Martinelli was buzzy, running around a lot. Again, no real quality at the end of it. Like, it's all well and good skinning your man 8 times against Sevilla. How many of them crosses landed? None. So it looks good. Oh, take-ons, dribbles, successful. 8 out of 8. How many of them crosses were successful? 0 out of 8. Same today. Listen, I like Martinelli. I think he's a top player, but he needs to do more. He needs to have a bit more cutting edge to his game, because I feel like he's stagnating a little bit at the moment. Maybe that's the way we're playing. Maybe that's the midfield. I don't know. But listen, Burnley came to try and stifle us and try and get a little 0-0, 1-1. They got their goal. Poor defending from us. People are crying about VAR again. Oh, it should have been a foul. Yeah, guess what? You won't be crying as much as you did last week against Newcastle. Do you know why? Oh, yes, because we won the game. Yeah, had we not won that game today, you'd all be a meltdown. Is a disgrace, guys. I feel embarrassed, guys. I've been here 20 years, guys. I never see anything like this, guys. Yeah, the margins are so tight, guys. Yeah, be the unicorn, guys. You can fucking do it, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. Yeah, he ain't moaning today, is he? Well, maybe he is, because he's probably doing his press conference right now. But 3-1. 3-1. Declan Rice nearly scored a good goal as well. He played all right today. Jorginho. Listen, it's a hard game to rate players. because they didn't really offer anything, did they? Similar to Sheffield United, it's very difficult to rate the goalkeeper today. What did he have to do apart from a couple of P-rolled shots and shot straight at him? Like, tipped one over the bar, I think. But other than that, he did nothing. So very hard to rate the defense as well. William Saliba, by the way, yeah, my baller. Trossardinho sticking that corner straight on his bonds. Barsh, 2-0. Have some of that. Number 35 today. Yeah, lovely goal, Di Canio-esque. And at that point, you're thinking, cool, take Saka off, let's go, get 4-5. In the end, Fabio Vieira, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Why are you kicking that guy straight on his knee, studs high, panning in, and then spending another 3 minutes on the pitch moaning to the referee? Yeah, it's a straight red card. Straight red card. Jorginho at the end got kicked in the head by his own player, Kivior. Yeah, claret everywhere. Like, hopefully he's all right. Yeah, and when I first see that, I was like, oh, look at the way he's falling down on the floor. But then when you see it again, you're like, wow, actually, that's a bit naughty. Yeah, and it's like, you know, we're racking up the injuries. Yeah, we're racking up these moody performances at times and moody moments in games. Yeah, and overall, we ain't been convincing this season. Yes, we're still there or thereabouts. What's the table saying? I think we're joint top, right? Yeah, we're second. Man City are above us on goal difference, but they got a game in hand. Yeah, Tottenham obviously back-to-back losses. Liverpool, if they win, they need to win by 3 goals to go above us. Yeah, 3 goals to go above us. They got Forest. No, they ain't. They got Brentford tomorrow. So you'd expect them to beat Brentford, but again, Brentford are a funny team. You never know. Yeah, but it's not been convincing, but we're hanging on. We're still in the race. Yeah, and January is going to be massive for us. We've got an international break coming up now. If I was Arteta, I'd be pulling out most of my players. I'd be saying, you ain't going. Bukayo Saka, definitely. Yeah, all the Gabbies, you ain't going. You ain't going Brazil. Or Jesus is injured anyway. Yeah, Declan Rice, sorry, mate, pull out. Pull out. Yeah, Trossard, pull out. Yeah, Fabio Vieira is now injured. Straight red card. He's now suspended for 3 games. Yeah, 29, you're useless anyway. That is now 18 games, 1 goal, and that goal was a penalty that we handed to him as sympathy. You have the penalty, Kai. Yeah, get in the bin, man. Yeah, we're not looking great, I can't lie, but we've got a nice little run of fixtures coming up. And then December's a little bit wild, I can't lie, around Christmas time. And you always get dodgy results around Christmas time. We've got Liverpool 2 days before Christmas Day, West Ham, and then Fulham, 2 London derbies. It's always a bit iffy, but listen, today I got no real complaints. I can't lie. The goalkeeper weren't really tested. Saliba and Gabriel did all right. Tommy got to be a bit stronger for their goal, but I could see why it could potentially be a foul. But come on, mate, you got to be a bit stronger than that. You're a big lad, yeah. And then 35, what a finish! Goal of the day, yeah, goal of the day, unbelievable goal. So yeah, big up, man, big up. And listen, his subs today didn't really affect the game so much. Yeah, I didn't really see a great deal from the subs when they come on, apart from Vieira getting sent off, Kivior kicking Jorginho. Other than that, Eddie didn't even get a kick, I don't think. I think he touched the ball like 4 times. So, yeah, El Neni didn't even get on to get his match bonus either, so I bet he's fuming. But all in all, good performance. We move on. We should be beating Burnley. They're like literally rock bottom, aren't they? Or 1 from bottom. There you go. They're 1 from bottom. They have won 1 game out of 12. And if Sheffield United get anything out of their next fixture, I don't know who they're playing, I'll check in a second, then they put Burnley bottom. Luton obviously lost today as well to Man United. Yeah. But yeah, it is what it is. And Sheffield United are playing Brighton away. So yeah, all the hipsters will be pants down Vaseline out tomorrow because De Zerbi, the little hipster manager, will probably score about 6 against them. Oh, he's a world-class manager. No, he's not. Anyway, my man of the match, like I said, Trossard. Shout out to 35 left back. I thought he was quality today, and he weren't really playing left back either. Let's just be real with it. Yeah, play that guy in midfield. Yeah, them 2 players that I've just mentioned there, Trossard and 35. They are our best 2 technically gifted footballers. So why are you playing one at left back when he can't defend, and has openly admitted he can't defend? Yeah, when he used to be a number 10, by the way. And then the other one, you keep him on the bench most weeks. Nah, mate. Start playing 35 in midfield and start dropping 29. That German giraffe, yeah, that German giraffe is useless. 18 games, 1 goal, and it was a gifted penalty. Oh, you have it. Get your confidence up. What's he done since? Yeah, embarrassing. Other than that, fair play. Yeah, fair play. Let's hope all of our players are fit and well for the next fixture against Brentford on the 25th. For now, we're out of here. Make sure you tune in to Kenny Ken's fan cam. He's going to be outside the ground in a minute. And then Jez, and then Matty, and then we're going to do player ratings real quick. And then we are out. Newcastle are 0-0, 10 minutes gone. Adios, amigos. Ciao.